Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use custom voices for your videos in CapCut. So CapCut just dropped an awesome new feature, custom voices. So now you can add a unique AI generated or personalized voiceover to your videos for more engaging and professional touch. If you want to access and use the new custom voice, you can follow my steps in here. So what you need to do is just tap on your project and choose the video that you want to edit. Okay, so once the video is open here, if you want to add the custom voices, you can go to the add the audio menu. Okay, so once you in the audio menu, you can just swipe and you'll find this custom voices feature, but you need to know that this is a pro feature, so if you want to use it you need to pay for it or join the CapCut Pro. Let's just use this custom voices. So in here you can see there are lots of options, voices that you can use. You can create your own or you can also use from here. Let's try to use from here the voice first. You can preview or you can hear the voice first before using it.
Use clipping to explore the infinite possibilities.
If you want to, you can also click on the
start
settings to adjust it again, or choose a different color, different voices, and hear it again. If you want to create your own, you can tap on this plus icon, and this will pop up. Create your voice with 10 seconds of audio. So your recordings are encrypted to ensure data. So this is just about the feature, disclaimer, and everything. You can tap on this and just tap on create. And here you can just read the sample text and click on this, tap or press and hold to record. Let's try to record this. The crackling fire in the heart roars to life, its warm orange flames casting a cozy light that fills the room with a sense of warmth and belonging. So CapCut now will uploading the audio and will process your voices, and later you can use your own voices for your upcoming projects. As you guys can see now, the voice has been created. You can listen to your voice and you can name it, and after that you can just tap on save, and in here you can just tap on use voice to add the voice. Here you can just paste your text that you want for your video. Let's say hi guys. So this is how you can use the custom voices. I'm going to just use on this. Here you can improve, expand, shorten, extract from lame if you want to. I'm going to just click on done. Okay, so if you are using CapCut Pro, then your text and the voice that you choose will be processing and will automatically add it to your videos. And so guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.